it's Melanie. Happy Tuesday. I have a Sephora haul to share with you guys. I've got my little box here. I did already, well, I thought I recorded this. I didn't actually hit record. So everything is already out in front of me here and out of the packaging, which actually makes it more convenient, right? Less me going through boxes. But I'm really sorry about how bright it is right now. And if you can see the lines on this part of my body, I'm gonna try to maybe, everybody move with me. Let's see, is this any better? I mean, you can see them here, but anyway, I want to get this video done, so now is the time that I have to do it. So we're gonna suffer through the sunshine. It is supposed to be like 75 this week. It's really actually kind of upsetting to me because we're in like the middle of October. Why is it 75 degrees? I have, I guess the opposite of seasonal affective disorder, where I get really grumpy in the sun. I have never loved the sunshine. Those that know me know my love of the rain and the gloomy weather. And this week is just not doing it for me here in Oregon, but what are you gonna do? So I have a Sephora haul to share with you guys. My friend Emmy from Emmy Loves Makeup on Instagram is a Sephora employee, and she shared her Sephora employee discount with me so that I was able to get 20% off. I placed an online order. I grabbed some things that I was originally planning on getting during the VIB sale, but what's great now is that I'll just get other things during the VIB sale, right? VIB always falls right around my birthday, so I go a little bit hog wild. And yeah, so with this order, I actually renewed my I renewed my Rouge status for another year, which blows my mind. The fact that I have spent $1,000 already at Sephora this year is just like, how have I done this again? I really don't feel like I've spent that much money there, but I must have, because they tell me that I renewed my Rouge status. In fact, they sent me this cute little bag. I actually had the choice of this or a like brush, and I chose this because you can never have enough of these bags, and Stella likes this kind of stuff to put her little like Shopkins and little Legos and all that kind of stuff in. So yeah, anyway, either she's gonna get this or I'm gonna use it for maybe like in my purse or something. But anyway, so that is what I got for renewing my Rouge status. I'm going to get started with a hair care. By the way, let me get back to Emmy Loves Makeup. I will put her Instagram link down below. If you're not following her, you really should. She posts a lot of stuff about things that she tries working at Sephora, you know, just reviews on some of the gratis and that she receives, and obviously things that she purchases herself. So a big thank you to Emmy. I really appreciate you sharing this code with me. She shared it with me for the last few years, and I always get really excited to be able to make extra purchases. So all right, let's get started. Verb hair care. I've been wanting to try it for a while. There is a girl, really pretty blonde, Babs Beauty. I think it might be Babs Beauty. I think her name's Stephanie. Anyway, she's gorgeous. But anyway, she had talked about Verb in one of her videos, and I was like, oh, what is this stuff? They are a cruelty-free hair care line. I do not know if they are vegan or not. So check into that, but they do have the bunny with the heart, so they're cruelty-free. This set was $48. It's a $72 value. This is a really good deal, you guys. So these are all full-size products in here, and they are all products I wanted to try individually from the brand, but holiday kit time means amazing deals. So the Verb Ghost Shampoo and Conditioner, I have used these both once. They're really, really lovely. If I'm staring out the window, it is because we are being invaded by stink bugs. I don't know what the deal is with these things, but they're driving me nuts. They are everywhere this time of year. The Verb Ghost Hairspray, this is a full size. These are all full size products. Like, this is such a good deal, you guys. Have not tried this, but I have tried the Verb Ghost Oil. This is a smoothing moringa and weightless hair oil. This is really nice, you guys. This did not weigh my hair down at all, and you need like 2 to 3 drops on your damp hair. I really like this. And this size, 2 to 3 drops, this is gonna last me for probably 8.5 years. I might be exaggerating, but I think it's gonna last me a while. Anyway, this kit is an amazing deal. Such a good deal, in fact, that I think I might actually grab another one during VIB coming up. I will be doing a VIB recommendations video towards the end of this month, since the sale normally is somewhere around the beginning of November. So I will have that for you guys. I do it every year, and I have some good things to share with you guys this year that I think you should get. If you're in the market for new things, you don't have to get anything. By the way, I will link everything down below. Okay, Charlotte Tilbury finally came to Sephora, and I thought, okay, now's a good time to try at least a thing from her. I have to admit, when I got this, I was like, this is the cheapest packaging ever. Like, this is like drugstore cheap feeling packaging. Even the box is like really flimsy. Now, packaging is not everything, and I'm assuming that Miss Charlotte put all of her money into her ingredients and formulations, which, if that is the case, love it. But I don't know yet, but I was kind of taken aback by how just chintzy this felt. But this is her airbrush flawless finish skin perfecting micro powder. So I did get it in the shade Fair because your girl is pasty white. So ooh, that feels amazing. Oh, that's like butter. Ooh, that's really nice. Wow. Okay. Well, this is gonna go on my face tomorrow, so I'll let you guys know if this is worth the splurge. Just on like that was literally the first time that I've touched it. That feels like friggin' silk. Like you're rubbing silk on your body. That's really nice. Oof, that's so reflective. Anyway, we'll give that a go. I also purchased my very first Jouer product. This is the Blush Bouquet in Coquette. This is a dual blush palette. The box is very large for the little thing that's in here. Seems a little wasteful, but what are you gonna do? These guys are also cruelty free. I've never tried anything from Jouer before, so here's hoping this isn't a new addiction. Trying to see if these guys have talc in their product. It doesn't look like they use any talc. I know some of you are sensitive to that. Does Miss Tilbury? Oh, she does. Talc, first ingredient. Well, if you have a sensitivity, avoid this, but you can try this. This is really pretty, you guys. Look at these colors. Oh, again, Coquette is the name of this duo. Tease Me and Seduce Me. So pretty. This, I feel like, is going to be a gorgeous fall shade. And this is pretty light, but I feel like if you mix the two, that would probably be a really pretty combination. Let's touch these. Ooh, ooh, that is nice. Ooh, those are really nice. My hands are dry. You really don't want me swatching anything on my hands right. That's gorgeous. That Seduce Me shade is, oh, that's so pretty. Beautiful. They do have a couple of other duos available. Adore Me was the one that I almost got, and then I was like, oh, that's really peachy. And I remember some people, when I was wearing a really peachy blush one day, they were like, what are you wearing? That's terrible. You don't wear peach. I like peach on me still. It probably doesn't go super well with my hair color anymore, but I don't really follow those rules anyway. But I picked up another Farmacy product because I love this skincare line. I want to try everything from Farmacy. This is their new Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. The price point of this, I think, is right around 58 bucks. So it's spendy, but it's not as expensive as Drunk Elephant or Sunday Riley or some other brands that I have tried in the past and love. But I figure if I could give you guys a slightly more affordable option, maybe this is it. This is kind of the same price point as Paula's Choice. You guys know that I don't mind spending on skincare if things work, and if this works, then that's fantastic. I would definitely repurchase this in the future. Their honey potion mask is to die for, you guys. I also really like, just because I have it right here, their honey savior. I love to use this as like a lip oil because it is a little bit oily feeling. Just fabulous. This is a fabulous line, you guys. If you like, if you like skincare that is a little bit more natural, things that have honey in them. Honey is kind of the core. It's like the staple in their line. And I think that honey does amazing things for skin. It's a really great humectant. It has antibacterial properties. It's just really, really a great ingredient in skincare. And yeah, so, ooh, this is also, so this is, I did not know this. Formulated with a 14% AHA, BHA flower acid blend. So this does have some BHA in it. What's the percentage of the BHA? I thought it was just an AHA. I don't know, but that's amazing. Maybe this is a dupe for my Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos. Here's hoping. Anyway, got that. A little sample of the Perricone MD Rejuvenating Moisturizer. I just thought this was really cute. And I do like Perricone MD skincare products. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna mention comes with a little bit of a story. Viseart. Okay, you guys know that I already actually purchased this through Beautylish. It is the Grande or Grand Pro 1 eyeshadow palette. And you might be wondering, why on earth do you have the one from Sephora? And here's the thing. After doing a little bit of research after I did my video, a lot of people were pointing out, that palette is $150 at Sephora. Why'd you pay $175? It took me a little bit to figure it out because Beautylish actually couldn't come up with an answer for me, but after researching a little bit more, I noticed that what I got was the limited edition packaging, but mine wasn't a limited edition collector's item because mine wasn't numbered. So when Viseart first released these, they were numbering them, and that was why they were $175. So I had the really nice packaging with that sleeve, but when I thought about it, I was like, I don't know that that sleeve is worth the extra $25 to me personally. And so I contacted Beautylish and I was like, hey, can you explain to me why this is so much more expensive, especially if my palette isn't numbered? Can you tell me why? And they're like, yeah, we have no idea. And I was like, okay, well, Sephora's selling it for $150. And basically their email back to me was like, if you wish to return it, you totally can. And I was like, I guess I'll return it, because here's the thing. I was able to get this for $120 at Sephora. That's a $55 price difference between the two. And normally, if it was only like the $25 price difference, I would have kept the one that I got from Beautylish. But knowing that I could get this for $150 plus 20% off, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna return that, because $55 is a lot of money and I didn't need that sleeve. In fact, the sleeve I thought about like recycling and I'm glad that I didn't. I'm glad I kept the packaging, because I sent the palette back. I don't normally do stuff like that, you guys, but $55 was just such a significant price difference for me. The formulation is exactly the same. There's no difference between the formula of this. And I actually think that I like this better because I can rip this out. This is the little like plastic thing. They have a perforation here, so I can totally get rid of that. But yeah, I love this palette. I do. I love it. And I'm glad to have it, and I feel bad returning the other one to Beautylish, but that $55 price difference was just not something that I could justify, to be totally honest. And so anyway, so I bought this at Sephora. This is the box that you get from Sephora. So it's a lot thinner. The cardboard packaging is a little bit cheaper. This is exactly the same quality as the Theory palettes, so very nice and slim, very secure, easy to travel with. I would feel very comfortable taking this anywhere. So yeah, I'm glad that I have it, and I'm glad that I was able to save $55 because $55 is a lot of money. So if you're looking, I would buy it at Sephora, and I would maybe wait until VIB and grab it for 20% off, because $120 for this palette is a screaming deal. You guys, I love these Viseart eyeshadows. They have quickly become my all-time favorite. I don't see myself ever not reaching for this palette. I think it's gonna be in my everyday makeup drawer all the time as just like a staple, and then I will fill in with other palettes for just fun pops of color. But I see myself buying more and more from this brand because this formula just works extremely well for me, and I love it. So there you have it. That's my haul for you guys. I did recently purchase some stuff at Ulta because I had a 20% off. And then I have some stuff coming from Tarte as well. So probably next week or the following week, you'll see just another kind of small random haul for me. Let me know if you picked anything up from the Friends and Family sale, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.